mushrooms in, halloumi. Okay, I'll start again. So today I am cooking a barbecue breakfast burrito on a Saturday or a Sunday for brunch. This is a perfect way to spend the morning. So in the burrito, we've got proper pork sausages from the Jolly Hog, of course, the best bacon in the world, black treacle, thick cut, double smoked, some wraps, some cheese, some avocado, some eggs, a bit of butter for the scrambled eggs, and if you want to be cheeky, some hot sauce. So we're going to get the sausages on the barbecue. Bacon on the barbecue is just different level. 2 burritos, we'll prep these. So we'll do 4 eggs. So whip those, scramble these. Avo is brilliant in this because obviously you've got the bacon and the sausage, so you do need something healthy in there. A lot of concentration on my face here. So give that a bit of a chop. Next up, we need to get the eggs on. A bit of butter, just a little knob of butter. That's melting down nicely. So get the eggs in. So we've got our sausages on. They're cooked through now. Bacon's cooked through on a cooler area. We'll just take the eggs off whilst we just build our burritos, which is the best bit. So we'll start off with a bit of hot sauce on this one. It's quite a lot. That's how I like it. And we'll get some cheese down. You can never have enough cheese. Some avo. Right, we'll get the sausages over. Cut these guys in half. I'm just going to lay them up in here. Do you know what also works really well? If you don't want to use sausages, you can also use pulled pork. Real good in this. Sausages in there. Layer up the bacon. Oh, 2 bits of bacon. One there and there. Look at that. Look at that. What's great in our house is that my kids don't like the fatty bit, so they cut it off, and then I just get all of the tasty fatty bits. So here we go. Eggs are done. Let's layer that up on top. Nice creamy eggs. So you fold in the ends, tuck it in nicely, and just roll over neatly. If you can make it neater, that's better than what I've done. And then just give it a tuck. It's a nice little present. Toast these on the barbecue. So we're going to get them off, nicely toasted on the barbecue, both sides. That's hot. And we're going to crack them open. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful layers of sausage, bacon, cheese and avo. This one's got hot sauce in. Let's give it a whirl. That's good.